Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rolling Realms. To begin, each player takes 3 unique realm cards and a dry erase marker. Next, shuffle the 18 minigame cards and place them face down to form a draw pile. Finally, roll 2 6-sided dice to determine the resources available for the current round. This simple setup gets you ready to dive into the game quickly and efficiently. After setup, the game proceeds with rolling and assigning dice. At the start of each round, roll 2 6-sided dice. Each die will show a value between 1 and 6, representing your available resources. You must assign 1 die to 2 of your 3 realm cards and the other die to the remaining 3rd realm card. This strategic choice is crucial for maximizing your turns. Once dice are assigned, it's time to activate your realms. Use the values from the assigned dice to trigger the unique abilities on your realm cards. You will mark off spaces or fill in sections on your cards using your dry erase marker. Some realms require specific numbers or combinations to activate their powerful effects. Successfully completing objectives on your cards earns you valuable stars. The game unfolds over 3 exciting rounds, with 9 turns in each round. After the 3rd round concludes, it's time for scoring. Players sum all the stars they have earned across their 3 realm cards. The player who has accumulated the most stars is declared the winner. In the event of a tie, the player with the most filled-in sections on their cards wins.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.